Hey, this is Andrew Sams with Alpine Building Performance here today with another home inspection tip. Wanted to talk about optical safety sensors for garage doors. Garage doors, we don't think about it, but it's really one of the most potentially dangerous moving parts of a home. It's large, it's heavy, and it does have the potential to cause bodily harm. Optical safety sensor here helps prevent against that. Most notably, this would prevent an object or a human, most notably potentially a child, from getting caught under the force of a door. And so one thing you want to look for with optical safety sensors is their mounting height. The sensor itself should be no more than 6 inches off the ground. You can see here we're sitting about 9 inches. This should be lowered to 6 to prevent against anything being obstructed below the sensor. So we'll write that up as a defect, and that's something to keep an eye out on.